Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing El Monte Sagrado Resort and Spa. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, parking and a family rooms. El Monte Sagrado Resort and Spa, a 5-minute drive from Harwood Museum of Art and Kit Carson Park. El Monte Sagrado Resort and Spa offers an on-site spa and 2 restaurants. An indoor pool and fitness center are available. A flat-screen TV, a seating area and a desk are featured in all rooms at El Monte. A bathroom with a bathrobe and hairdryer are provided. After enjoying a meal at the Tierra or the gardens, guests of El Monte Taos can relax with a drink at Anaconda Bar. An extensive cocktail list is available. Carson National Forest is 30 minutes drive from El Monte Sagrado Resort and Spa. Taos Regional Airport is 8.4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.